this is a Crate Creatures toy. This is the Yeti version. My niece got a dragon version for Christmas. It was so adorable. My sister, it took her months to find one at the stores because they were always sold out. I found this finally at Target. It was like $39.95. So it reminds me so much of My Pet Monsters from the 80's. So it even has, if you're familiar with My Pet Monsters from the 80's, it was this blue monster. The main guy was this blue monster, and he always had like plastic chains on him. And look, this has plastic chains on it, and it's a monster in a crate. And then this one is Blitz. This is like a Yeti monster. So it's so adorable. I had to get one. And so when you are at the store, it says do not pull tongue. So what happens when you pull the tongue? So cute. So there was a couple plastic locks on it. I removed that so I could do this one-handed. So, but this is pretty much how it looked like when you bought it from the store. The only difference was there was a plastic wrap around this lock, and then there was some twist ties. So I've removed all those. So it has this neat box. So this is a plastic box. It comes exactly like this, like no cardboard box or whatever. This is nice plastic, so that's going to be pretty cool. So it says on the back like the many things that the creature does. It has sounds, effects, many things that you can do. All right, and then it's got this plastic lock. All right, so you take, I'm assuming you have to, I don't know how you unlock it. Let's see. Use crowbar to open lock and crate. So is the crowbar, all right, I don't know. There you go. Yep. Oh, sorry, let me do that again. My camera wasn't on it. All right, so you just take the crowbar, push down, the lock snaps open. All right, let's see here. Twist the lock to remove this really cool plastic chain. I love it. That is so cool. Let's see if this pop open or if I have to. Okay. Crowbar. Insert the crowbar. Okay. It's not going to be easy doing this one-handed. So if I do... Alright, I'm sorry. Got to put the phone down for 2 seconds. Okay. Alright, you know what? Let me try that. I think I can do that one-handed now. Okay, so all I did was you take this crowbar and just push it in, and this lid is gonna pop open, pop up. Come on, why can't I do this one-handed? Okay, oh, there you go. See, let's try that again. Oh my god, this box, this container it comes in is so cool. You definitely don't want to lose the original container. So let's see, definitely a keeper. All right, here we go. Ooh, see, pop it, and then here is the Yeti. Alright, it's got a little plastic on it. Let's see if it will let me remove it with one hand. And it won't, because of course it's tied in there. Oh, there we go. Alright. There he is. Let me just put him right here for a second. What is in the box? So we got an instruction sheet. And then take that out. So that's just like up and down. Okay. I'll put that back in. Thought he also had. He's supposed to have, there it is. He's supposed to have a popsicle. It is attached to him. Let me put that. Let me move that back. Alright. Take this plastic off. All doing it one-handed. Sorry. It's not tape, is it? Is it tape? Okay, there. Got that off. And then there's his little popsicle. Pull that. Okay, there we go. It's okay. That's why I have my handy dandy scissors. That will fall on my lap. Alright, so then. Oh, these popsicles have a name. What are these called? Like rocket popsicles? I forget. So is there anything I have to take him? Is he in sleep mode. So, alright, gonna have to get the instruction book out. Hold on 1 second. Okay, he is working now. On the back of him, right here, is his battery pack, and I had to take him off a demo mode. So it's a good, easy Velcro feature, and then I just had to take that on and off switch and switch it to active or on mode instead of demo mode. So here you go. Let's see. So really, that's kind of gross. You are sounding kind of gross. Alright, what can he do? Pull his, oh my god. I heard that. Arms will thrash if you push down on his towel. Okay, let's see that. Nope. I'm not gonna be able to do this. I feel like there's a lever in the back of this towel. Oh, okay. There you go. You push down and his arms move. Got it. I feel like there's a lever. Alright. And then you're supposed to take the little rocket pop and then... Okay, hold on. What do they call it? Popsicle. And his popsicle is pressed firmly in the mouth. Okay. And as I knock my computer screen over. Some of these things you cannot do one-handed. Lay on my lap. Quit farting. Come on. Well, kind of acted like he's eating it. There you go. He's making eating sounds. Alright. Why he makes the grossest sounds. It's very funny. Very funny. Very cute. Alright, what else? What else can he do? Press and hold stomach to record. Okay, apparently you can record with your Crate Creature. Crate Creature. Crate Creatures. Okay. You can record up to 10 seconds of audio. Each time you record your voice, the previous recorded audio will delete. Okay, so it only keeps 10 seconds back. Once you are done, it will play back what you recorded in a monster voice. Interesting. Huh. Alright. I'm not gonna record anything right now, but you're supposed to do stuff when you shake them. Are you falling asleep? Don't fall asleep. It's like a Furby. They always fall asleep and you didn't want them to. Don't fall asleep! Don't fall asleep. Alright, well, it is very, very cute. And the arms do move. I don't know if I liked Abby's dragon better. I do like the Yeti, but the dragon was kind of cute too. So anyway, this is a cute toy. I like it because, you know, I love Furbies. This reminds me of Furby. And I loved my Pet Monster, and it kind of reminds me of my Pet Monster. So it's a cute little toy, $40. The box is like half of the awesomeness. I mean, seriously, a plastic crate to store them in. That was pretty cool. So, I don't know. I might have to go buy the dragon, too. These are pretty cool. So, thanks for watching.